Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students of class 6, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic is chapter 4. This is our first lecture. Lesson number 1 and 2, reading plus discussion. Look, I have already told you lecture number 1 and homework number 1 on our annual term 2021 syllabus. Dear students of agriculture studies, at first open your agriculture studies book. We shall start reading agriculture chapter 4 lesson 1 and 2, page number 47. Let's start reading. Title is chapter Agriculture and Climate, chapter 4. Agriculture depends on weather and climate. The changes of the elements of weather and climate influences cultivation of crops, fishes and rearing domestic animal birds. Moreover, due to climate changes, global temperature is increasing and ecological balance is hampered. As a result, flood, drought, salinity, cyclone, etc. break out in disastrous forms. In this chapter, we would learn the concept of weather and climate, their elements and their impact and importance on agriculture. Besides, we would know about the agro-ecological zones, the rainfall, flood and tidal prone areas of Bangladesh. Page number 48, lesson 1, weather and climate. So at first we will get the definition of weather, then the characteristics, then the climate, its characteristics. Weather. We hear the news of weather on radio and television. We get the information of temperature, humidity, rainfall of the day from this news. We also come to know about the future information of temperature, humidity, condition of the sky. This future information is said to be weather forecast. So the daily condition of the atmosphere of a particular place is called weather. So mind it, daily condition of the atmosphere. Weather is related to the daily condition of a particular place. So look, the characteristics of the weathers are given below. It is influenced by the local monsoonal wind blow. Weather is quick changing. It doesn't influence much on the qualities of the soil. Weather influences on the nursing of crops of a particular place. Climate. Look, we often hear the terms of climate changing. If we want to know about the climate change, we first need to know about weather. The climate of a place is the average of weather of duration of 25 to 30 years of that place. The characteristics of the climates are given below. So look, 4 characteristics are given. Climate is the average condition of the atmosphere in a place for a long time. Climate is slowly changing. It influences on the qualities of the soil. It influences on the varieties of crops and the selection of breeds of a particular place. Now we will read the elements of weather, then the elements of climate also. Look, first on rainfall. Rainfall is the water drops from the atmosphere on the surface of the earth. It includes rain, snowfall, hailstorm, fog, dew, etc. Temperature. The degree of cold or heat of a place at a particular time is temperature. Wind velocity. Wind velocity is the speed of the air blows in a place at a particular time. Next, wind direction. Wind direction is the movement of the air blowing from one place to another. Humidity. The quantity of vapors in the air is called humidity. Next, atmospheric pressure. The force that the air applies on the surface of the earth is called atmospheric pressure. Next page, page number 49. It is clouds or cumulus. The quantity of clouds in the sky. 8. Visibility. The range of the distance that can be seen with the bare eyes is called visibility. 9. Sunlight. The quantity of the light of the sun that we get in a day and for how many hours is called sunlight. Next, elements of climate. Okay. Solar radiation or solar diffusion. The sources of all forces on earth is solar power. Weather and climate vary on the differences of the availability of solar radiation for differences of places and seasons. Solar radiation controls atmospheric temperatures by heating the surface of the earth. Moreover, water vaporizations, mobility of the air, creation of the clouds are controlled by solar radiation. Next, it is air mass. Accumulated air moves in a particular direction. The weather and the climate of a place depends upon the source place of air mass. Next, atmospheric pressure process. The rise and fall of atmospheric pressure influences the season of rainfall. When atmospheric pressure declines, the possibility of cyclones, clouds and storm rises. When atmospheric pressure rises, dry weather persists on or prevails. Ocean current. Ocean current controls temperature and rainfall of the coastal areas. Temperature and rainfall get lower when air blows on cold current. If air currents is warm, both rise. Next, it is low relief of land relief or unevenness. The height of a place from sea level controls the climate of that place. Height rises, temperature and atmospheric pressure becomes lower. Now, lesson 2. Importance of weather and climate in agriculture. Agricultural work depends on weather and climate. Agricultural production is influenced by the elements of weather and climate. In this lesson, we will discuss the importance of weather and climate on crop cultivation, pisciculture and rearing of domestic animals and birds. Number 1, crop cultivation. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. Different kinds of crops grow in the country throughout the year. This has become a country of crops and greenery as there exist different types of temperature, rainfall, humidity suitable for different crops. Paddies, wheat, vegetables, fruits grow abundantly during summer for the influence of monsoon climate. On the other hand, different types of summer crops such as pulses, oilseed, vegetable species grow for the influences of winter climate. So, the influence of climate is very significant in crop cultivation. Again, every day agriculture work is influenced by weather. Land preparation, seed sowing, fertilizer application, irrigation, crop harvesting, spread of disease and insect pests are immensely influenced by the elements of weather. For example, a land cannot be plowed when it rains. Against rain is necessary for land. Okay, preparation for transplanted almond rice field. Point number 2, fish cultivation. Abundant rainfall occurs in Bangladesh during the rainy season. Under the influence of the monsoon climate, as a result, rivers, canals, ponds, ditches are filled with water. A lots of fishes are product or found in these watery bodies. The impact of monsoon climate is very vital in the production of fish and their breedings. Point number 3, domestic animal birds. The weather and the climate of Bangladesh are appropriate for rearing livestock such as cows, goats, buffaloes, ducks, hens, poultry and so on. Different types of grass, creepers and herbs grow in the country in a large quantity for feeding livestock. Point number 3. Another part of point 3 is climate change. If we want to understand climate change, first we need to realize greenhouse effect. In cold countries, costly vegetables, fruits grow in greenhouse or glasses. Temperature in glass house remains warmer than that of outside that. This is suitable for those crops. The light that enters into the glass house cannot get out. Rather, it becomes weaker and produces heat. As a result, the glass house or greenhouse remains warm. The atmosphere of the earth is getting excessively warmer like the greenhouse. The quantity of carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon gases is increasing because of man's different activities. These gases absorb heat and are warming the atmosphere. This is called greenhouse effect, and the gases responsible for are called greenhouse effect. Okay. Global temperature have been increasing since the last quarter of the 19th century. The heat of the atmosphere and the water is rising. As a result, abnormal behavior of weather and the climates are noticed. This is climate change. Point next, causes of climate change. Due to industrial revolution, emission of greenhouse gases is rising because of man's luxurious lifestyle. Fossil fuel is burned in different industries, vehicle and domestic uses, so the quantity of greenhouses is increasing in the year. Again, population is increasing every year. A huge abundance of forest land is being exhausted for their food and habitation, so the balance of the absorption of carbon dioxide by trees is not maintained. Last point, it is demerits of climate change. What are the disadvantages of climate change? The ecological balance and the natural environment is hampered due to climate change. The rise of the sea level, the melt of the ice in the polar regions and the mountainous glacier, deforestations are being accelerated. As a result, disasters like heavy downpour, drought, salinity, food, flood, increases of severity and durability of floods, increases of extremity of cyclones, excessive heat and excessive cold have becomes frequent. As a result, agricultural production is disrupted. A change is necessary to bring about a change in the method and management of agricultural productions. Dear students, with this we have finished our reading chapter 4 lesson 1 and 2. After reading this, you will have homework. Okay, this is your first homework I am writing. You will make 5 MCQ. Make 5 MCQ from chapter 4 lesson number 1 and 2. So look here, your homework is you will prepare 5 MCQ from chapter 4 lesson 1 and 2. This is your homework and this is the first homework. I hope that all of you will do your homework properly, having 4 options. Nobody will write only the answer. I want to see all of your homework, agriculture homework number 1. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.